Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer data from any SSD to any of the iPhones. So I have Samsung T9 today, any SSD will work. And one more thing which you need to keep in mind is that I'm having iPhone 15 Pro which is having a USB-C connector and down. But if you're having any older version like iPhone 12 or 13, you'll need to have an adapter which is lightning to USB-A or USB-C. And I will put the link in description so you can buy. And now let me just show you how you can connect that. And I will take this Thunderbolt cable. It's same like USB-C cable, but it gives you power and fast data transfer on the same time. So I will connect it to my drive and then I will connect it to my iPhone. And once I do that, it will start blinking a light on my SSD, which means it's accessing the data on the SSD and it's connected well. Some of the SSDs doesn't have this light. So I have connected my SSD through the cable to the iPhone, and now to access that, I'll go to my iPhone. And we know that whenever we connect any external drive to any of the iPhones, to access that, we need to go to the files. So I will search files, which is by default in iPhone, and I will open it, and then I will go to browse. I will click on downloads on top, you can see, and here I will click on my iPhone to be able to access all the drives. So if I go back to browse here, you can see all the drives are here, and I have Umair 2 named there as well, which is my drive. So I'll open it. I'll go to wedding folder or anything you have on your SSD. I will open wedding folder where I have some pictures to save so I can show you. So I will say couple selects, and then I will scroll down all the way. I'll see, let's say, this picture, and this picture I want to save. So I will just simply save it like this. Even if you have a video, you can save it same way and it will be in your gallery. So this is how easy it is to do any file saving in your iPhone from external drives if you connect them directly.